So you might be in a position where Bluetooth devices just are not showing up in your Bluetooth settings. So for example, if we make our way over to my Bluetooth settings on my iPhone right here, you might see that I have some Bluetooth devices here, but let's say some of the Bluetooth devices that I have connected, such as these specific AirPods, but you might be able to see that if I have some other devices around me, they're just not connecting to the specific iPhone, or they're not showing up in Bluetooth. Now, the first thing you want to make sure is that those specific devices that you had connected in the first place are even the right name in which you're trying to connect to. These AirPods, for example, that I have right here, aren't connected to this iPhone. They're connected to another device. But if I look right here, I may confuse them for these AirPods. So what you want to do is you want to make sure these AirPods, the name of them and everything, aren't the same AirPod name as these ones. Because if they're not, well then that's going to be the main issue. The name of the Bluetooth devices have to be the same on each one. So make sure it's the same name. That's basically the main thing. The next thing is you want to go ahead and make sure that if you're now trying to pair up a new device to your iPhone, you want to make sure that device is configurable and pairable to an iPhone. For example, a very common thing is controllers and or headphones. Some controllers like this Wii remote, you can't really just pair it up to an iPhone. Even though this thing emits a signal, you can't just link these two things together. So you have to find specific, devices that are pairable and compatible within each other. So that is the other big thing. If they are not compatible, they are not going to show up under your other devices. Now the other thing, sometimes you may just have to hop out of that Bluetooth setting right here and just go back into it, and sometimes those things may just start popping up at the bottom. So if your other devices are in pairing mode, sometimes they'll just start pairing up and showing up down here. You can also just turn off Bluetooth like this, wait a few seconds, turn it back on, and that might end up doing it as well, and most of the time that probably will end up fixing it. But those are pretty much the main ways to do it. If that's still not working, try going back into your general settings right here, clicking on software update, and just go ahead and update your phone, and that could end up fixing the problem too. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.